This is the aftermath of the blizzard. Charlie and I have already been out shoveling this morning. It's starting to melt a little bit. It's really beautiful out today. But we still don't have a plowed driveway. You can see how long it is. And the horses are out eating. Kind of see how deep our pathways are. We kind of gave up when it came to here because we know the snowplow is going to snow us back in. Pathways around the back side of the house. It's hard to walk here. Path down to the game room.
Where you going? Some of the softer spots are treacherous. Let's see if I can get my sunglasses out of my car.
Here, well, you got a lot of shoveling to do to get them.
I got in here yesterday and got my face mask. Push me up.
It is hard to walk. Whoop, almost bought it that time. What you looking at, bud? She's a pretty girl. Can you see our driveway? I can't. And I'm standing on about 6 inches of snow in the path. Get him, bud. Get him, bud.
Oh yeah, I did.
Stick him, bud. Get him. All I can say is wow, and I hope it doesn't snow more on Tuesday.